Welcome to DreamHaven Ideas. Close your eyes and imagine this, stepping into your pea gravel patio and finding a stunning ultra-green oasis waiting for you. Smooth cream gravel crunches softly beneath your feet. Lush native plants in pink, purple, yellow, and blue cascade gracefully from vertical gardens. Soft solar lighting glows along the edges. The gentle sound of water invites you to pause, breathe, and simply be, knowing your space supports local wildlife too, all without constant maintenance. Today, we're exploring over 100 pea gravel landscaping ideas that will inspire you to transform your outdoor space into a stunning eco-luxury retreat. From ultra-green pathways to modern gravel patios, you'll discover how the right sustainable design can create comfort, beauty, and environmental harmony in any footprint with minimal upkeep. Let's begin this journey into your dream low-maintenance eco-luxury heaven. Pea gravel landscaping is about maximizing beauty while minimizing effort. Smooth green gravel provides excellent drainage, suppresses weeds, and requires no mowing. Vertical planters multiply your planting space without expanding your footprint. Native plant communities support pollinators while creating stunning visual interest. Every element serves a purpose, beauty, function, and environmental stewardship, all with minimal maintenance. Materials set the tone. Natural stone edging brings timeless elegance and defines your gravel areas. Smooth cream pea gravel offers versatility and drainage. Native plants provide color while supporting local ecosystems, often thriving with minimal water once established. Each choice creates a different mood, a different feeling as you step into your space. Lighting transforms your pea gravel garden after dark. Solar-powered fixtures eliminate wiring costs while creating magical ambiance. Pathway markers guide your steps safely through gravel areas. These touches extend your enjoyment well into the evening without increasing your energy bill or maintenance routine. Plantings bring your eco space to life. Layered native borders in pink, purple, yellow, and blue add color and fragrance while supporting biodiversity. Drought-tolerant varieties thrive with minimal care and water. Climbing native vines soften boundaries and add height. The right plants make your gravel garden feel abundant and alive without constant watering, weeding, or pruning. The beauty of pea gravel design is its adaptability. Minimalist layouts with architectural natives offer contemporary elegance with minimal upkeep. Cottage-style native containers with cascading blooms bring romantic charm affordably. Budget-friendly solutions with repurposed planters prove eco-luxury is accessible. Each style speaks to different dreams, different lifestyles, different maintenance preferences. As these ideas unfold, I invite you to envision your own pea gravel retreat. Do you see a sleek vertical garden with minimalist native plantings framing your gravel pathway? Or a cozy native container collection with cascading blooms around your gravel seating area? Would you choose the warmth of natural stone edging, or does your heart lean toward contemporary metal accents? Do you crave the romance of solar lanterns and climbing natives, or the simplicity of integrated LED lighting and ornamental grasses? Think about your space, your climate, your lifestyle, and your maintenance preferences. Do you have a sunny balcony or a shaded courtyard? Are you drawn to high-maintenance blooms, or do you prefer native plants that thrive with minimal intervention? There's no wrong answer, only what feels right for you and your local ecosystem. Imagine stepping onto your transformed outdoor space 1 year from now. The native plantings have filled in, solar lights glow softly in the evening. Butterflies and birds visit your eco-sanctuary. The gravel still looks pristine with minimal effort. How does it feel to have created this beauty that also helps the environment without constant upkeep? Who will you share this space with? What moments will unfold here? Your pea gravel vision is waiting to become reality. If these pea gravel landscaping ideas have inspired you, I warmly invite you to subscribe to DreamHaven Ideas. We believe that everyone deserves a beautiful outdoor retreat that nurtures both the soul and the planet regardless of space, budget, or maintenance preferences. Each week, we share thoughtful approaches to creating spaces that reflect your unique style while supporting environmental health with minimal effort. Your journey to creating the perfect pea gravel garden starts with a single native plant, a single idea, a single decision to transform your outdoor space sustainably and affordably. Let us walk this path with you, offering inspiration and guidance as you create the low-maintenance eco-sanctuary you've been dreaming of. Take a moment to like this video if it resonated with you. It helps others discover these ideas and join our community of garden enthusiasts who believe in the transformative power of beautiful, sustainable, low-maintenance outdoor spaces. Now, allow these images to inspire your vision of ultra-green gravel elegance. Let your imagination wander through these beautiful eco-spaces and notice which details speak to your heart and your values.